Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Martin here. I hope you're all alright. It's really good to see you. So this is going to be a little Easter gift set for an adult. So I've got all the things together here some of them that I've had to hand, like the cello wrap and the ribbon, but the mug that we're going to go for. Got some marshmallows left over. Got the shred that I'm going to fill the cup up with shred so I can put the Easter egg inside, so it just gives it some height. We've got the hot chocolates as well, so we're going to put all that together. So they've got their little Easter, this is for an adult, so they've got the hot chocolates and they'll have a bit of chocky to enjoy while they're drinking the hot chocolate, with the marshmallows to go with as well. And then they've got a cup to keep, mug, whatever. So right, let's do this. So I've got my little bag to put the marshmallows in, so I'm going to do that. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to put the paper shred into the cup because it gives it some height, because otherwise it's just like that and you won't be able to see the egg inside the mug otherwise. The marshmallows at the side, I've just sellotaped them to the handle of the cup so they're not falling everywhere, so just in case you're wondering. If there's any loose bits, just tape them up, just to tidy them up a little bit. I've just added a gift tag as well to it as well. Just with some twine, just added that. Cut that off. So I won't write on the tag just in case somebody wants it and wants to give it to somebody as a present, so they can write on it themselves. So it's already tagged. So if you like this sort of thing, guys, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the notification bell, and that just lets you know that I've uploaded a video to YouTube, and it lets you see all my other videos as well. Please go and check out my Facebook like page, where I do loads of gift baskets. So I'm starting up my own gift basket business. It's a bit of a mouthful. Gift basket business. It's called Marty's Homemade Gift Baskets. Okay, so go and find me on Facebook. Send me a request and I'll add you to the group, because that would really mean a lot, you know, you getting behind me. And yeah, and there's loads of people that have been joining my page, and loads of people have been getting behind me, and that, you know, loads of friends, and giving advice, which I really appreciate it. Thanks for joining. So yeah, I hope you like this, and if they do, let me know, and it's yours. Yeah. Take care, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye for now.